I got 2 packages from Aminé that I ordered. I waited a little while for this. Finally got here. So let's see what I got. Leave it open. It's the inside of the box. This is the scarf, I'm pretty sure. Hoodie. Shirt. 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 Okay. First shirt. It's a blue shirt. Here it is. It says Kaytraminé on it. Let's put it like this. Shall we? We shall. Has the Kaytraminé logo on here. I think it looks pretty dope. It's pretty cool. The back says Kaytraminé, Kaytraminé, Kaytraminé. Then this is like a globe with the KA on it. Got the Kaytraminé here. And it has all the tracks and who's it's written by. Oh, there's nice detail that they have on here. Nice detail. Next shirt. This is the same one as the blue one that I just showed you. But it's in black. Kaytraminé logo in the front. Kaytraminé around the globe with the KA, Kaytraminé, and then all of the tracks listed there. Got Kaytraminé with the blue collar, blue sleeves, plain white on the back. Got the hoodie. Whoa. This is the Kaytraminé in the front. The Kaytra plus Aminé equals Kaytraminé. Simple math in the back. Nice shade of blue. Nice shade of blue. Last but not least, we have this scarf. Wow. Check this out together. See, it says Kaytraminé going all around here. But then right there it has the Kaytraminé logo. Then you have Kaytranada there. The KA glass, and then Aminé down there. Pretty cool, pretty nice. In the pink, yellow, and blue colorway. We'll keep that on for now. All right, got an additional box here. It says Aminé New Balance. Yemen. Right. It's like a banana crate. You see the bananas in there. Banana crate with stickers on the top. More stickers. The bottom with stickers. 2023 New Balance X Aminé. Smells new. Says something. What is this thing? It says New Balance Aminé Club Banana Research Ideal Storage Temp 14 degrees Celsius. Do not refrigerate shoe. Endorsed by no one. 2023. New Balance Aminé. Cool. I don't like how my tissue paper is already ripped up. Got the sneakers here. It has like a metallic here, here, 3 panels of that. It has like water in here, and has a little banana that moves around for that club banana. I like this honeycomb that they got going on. I'm a big fan of brown, so a brown shoe is awesome just to have. The back looks nice. And yeah, I'm not gonna do no full this is a this because I don't really know. Oh, there's a button here. Awesome. This one doesn't have a button though. Interesting. The left shoe has a button, but the right don't. Flexion up here as well. Front of the shoe. Let's see what the bottom does look like. Looks like good for traction, hiking, or whatever. Things and such of that nature. The insides. New Balance, nice. Yeah, so that's everything that I got. We have 3 shirts, a hoodie, a pair of shoes, and a scarf. I'm happy with my purchase. So I was looking through the empty box, which I thought was empty. And then I saw this and I'm like, what is this? Forgot all about this. We have the Kaytraminé vinyl. It's a pretty cool cover that they got. It's a nice shade of blue. You got the 2 gentlemen right here in the front. Kaytraminé featuring Pharrell, Forever. And you got all the tracks in the back. Who he is, number 1, let's talk about it. Number 2, Forever. Track 3, track 4, West Side. 5, Master P. 6, Rebuke. 7, Sauce 'em Up. 8, STFU. 3. Then we got 9. We have, where's 10? 10, I, featuring Snoop Dogg. And 11, K and A. K to the A to the. Yeah. It was real nice.